Betco is pleased to introduce the new GeneSys Walk-Behind Scrubber series, designed, developed, and assembled at our new headquarters in Bowling Green, Ohio. This next generation of auto scrubbers boasts best-in-class performance specifications, resulting in consistently cleaner floors with less effort and cost. The aptly named GeneSys Scrubber series has been co-developed with industry experts, and each detail has been scrutinized for an unparalleled customer experience. The GeneSys 20-inch scrubber platform has a 13-gallon solution tank and 15-gallon recovery tank. It can be configured with a disc or orbital scrub deck. Each GeneSys midsize scrubber has a 25-gallon solution tank, a 28-gallon recovery tank, and can be configured with one of multiple scrub decks: 26-inch disc, 28-inch disc, 32-inch disc, 28-inch orbital. Each of the GeneSys scrubbers provides the ultimate combination of the highest motor horsepower, RPMs, and down pressure in their class, making short work of all your toughest soils and project work jobs. And don't forget, the GeneSys Orbital 20 and 28-inch scrubbers can remove the hardest finishes over 80% faster than traditional stripping methods. When you combine these unmatched cleaning performance specifications with long run times and full 180-degree turn water recovery, if the Betco GeneSys scrubber can't do the job, then none in its class can. The GeneSys series is also armed with cutting-edge features, including SolidChem technology, Fortify Asset Protection and Management Suite. SolidChem technology is the industry's first onboard chemical proportioning system that uses solid chemicals, eliminating both the need for separate dilution control and the guesswork for floor cleaning teams. SolidChem technology reduces daily cleaning costs up to 80% versus traditional liquid chemical alternatives. SolidChem comes in two of Betco's most proven floor scrubbing formulas: pH 7 Ultra Neutral Floor Cleaner and Grease Solve Degreaser. SolidChem also advances green cleaning initiatives by minimizing packaging as well as chemical use and disposal. Finally, the new GeneSys Walk-Behind Scrubber series maximizes your return on investment with the Fortify Asset Protection and Management Suite. Fortify is a group of innovative features and technologies that significantly reduce cost of ownership and extend machine life. Features like wet battery protection system, programmable timer lockout, tank defoaming system, fully accessible scrub deck service panel, Armor telemetry and reporting. Armor is an optional device by USA Clean that reports key machine operation parameters through a web-based interface. At the end of the day, you need to know that you're supported. Unlike other equipment manufacturers that are reducing their warranties with the launch of new auto scrubbers, Betco remains the industry leader with 3-year parts and labor warranties that can be administered by our national service partner network of over 500 seasoned technicians. The GeneSys Walk-Behind Scrubber series rings in a new era for the industry. The best scrubber and technologies are combined with the industry's best finishes, strippers, and chemicals for the professional cleaning and maintenance operation. For more information about GeneSys, call 888-GO-BETCO, contact your local regional manager, or visit betco.com.